Ready to elevate your kitchen to the next level? Discover the hottest modern design trends that will transform your space into a sleek, stylish, and functional masterpiece. Watch now to get inspired and start your transformation today. Don't miss out. Hello everybody! Welcome to your channel, HD Interiors. In today's video, we're excited to share the top modern kitchen design ideas that can transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. From minimalist designs to smart kitchens, we've got you covered with the latest trends that blend aesthetics and practicality. Get ready to be inspired by sleek lines, bold backsplashes, and innovative storage solutions. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for some fresh ideas, these modern kitchen designs will help you create the perfect kitchen for contemporary living. Let's dive in. Minimalism is all about creating a clean, uncluttered look that emphasizes simplicity and functionality. Start with sleek, unadorned cabinetry and countertops that feature clean lines. Opt for neutral colors like white, black, and gray to create a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere. Integrated appliances are a key element of minimalist design. Built-in ovens, microwaves, and refrigerators blend seamlessly with the cabinetry, maintaining a streamlined appearance. This not only looks great but also maximizes space and enhances the kitchen's functionality. By focusing on these core principles of minimalist design, you can achieve a modern kitchen that is both beautiful and highly practical. Open shelving is a popular trend in modern kitchen design that replaces traditional upper cabinets with open shelves. This approach not only makes your kitchen feel more spacious, but also allows you to display your stylish dishware and accessories, adding a personal touch to the space. Floating shelves are a versatile option that can be installed in various configurations to suit your needs. They provide easy access to everyday items and can be a great way to showcase your favorite kitchen pieces. To create an eclectic yet modern feel, consider mixing materials for your shelves. Combine wood, metal, and glass to add texture and visual interest to your kitchen. This blend of materials can make the space feel more dynamic and contemporary. Embrace the future with smart kitchens that integrate technology to enhance convenience and efficiency. Start by incorporating smart appliances that can be controlled via your smartphone. Imagine adjusting your oven's temperature, checking your refrigerator's contents, or starting your dishwasher with just a few taps on your phone. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home can make managing your kitchen tasks even easier. Use voice commands to set timers, find recipes, or add items to your shopping list without lifting a finger. This hands-free approach not only saves time but also keeps your kitchen running smoothly. With smart kitchen technology, you can create a modern, high-tech cooking environment that adapts to your lifestyle, making daily tasks more enjoyable and less time-consuming. High-quality materials are essential in modern kitchen design, providing both durability and aesthetic appeal. Quartz countertops are a popular choice due to their robustness and variety of colors. They resist stains and scratches, making them perfect for busy kitchens while adding a touch of elegance. Matte finishes are another hallmark of modern kitchens. Choose matte finishes for your cabinetry and appliances to create a sleek, contemporary look. Unlike glossy surfaces, matte finishes offer a subtle, sophisticated appearance that reduces fingerprints and smudges, keeping your kitchen looking pristine with minimal effort. Natural wood accents can warm up the space and provide a beautiful contrast to other materials. Incorporate wooden elements in countertops, shelves, or kitchen islands to add texture and a touch of nature. These accents can create a welcoming atmosphere while maintaining a modern aesthetic. A bold backsplash can serve as the focal point of your modern kitchen, adding character and visual interest. Geometric patterns are a top trend, with tiles arranged in hexagon, chevron, or herringbone designs. These patterns bring a dynamic, eye-catching element to the space, making the backsplash not just a functional feature, but also a statement piece. Consider using bold colors for your backsplash to create a dramatic effect. Deep blues, greens, or even black can provide a striking contrast to neutral cabinetry and countertops. These rich, vibrant hues can infuse your kitchen with energy and personality, making it a standout area in your home. Whether you choose geometric patterns or bold colors, a distinctive backsplash can elevate the entire look of your kitchen, showcasing your personal style while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Functional layouts are the backbone of modern kitchen design, ensuring that your space is both efficient and enjoyable to use. A multifunctional kitchen island is a must-have. It serves as a hub for cooking, dining, and storage, providing extra counter space and incorporating features like sinks or cooktops. Ergonomic design is key to creating a user-friendly kitchen. Focus on the work triangle concept, which optimizes the distance between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. This layout minimizes movement and streamlines your workflow, making meal preparation and cooking more efficient. By prioritizing functionality in your kitchen layout, you can create a space that not only looks modern but also works seamlessly for your daily needs. This approach combines practicality with style, ensuring your kitchen is a pleasure to use. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern kitchen design, enhancing both functionality and ambience. Under-cabinet lighting is a great way to improve task lighting, illuminating your countertops for cooking and food preparation. This type of lighting not only provides practical benefits, but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere in your kitchen. Pendant lights are another stylish lighting option, especially when placed above kitchen islands. They add a modern touch and can serve as a focal point in the room. Choose fixtures that complement your kitchen's overall design, whether it's sleek and minimalist or bold and industrial. Proper lighting can transform your kitchen, making it a brighter, more welcoming space that is both beautiful and practical. By incorporating under-cabinet lights and stylish pendant fixtures, you can enhance the look and functionality of your modern kitchen. Hidden storage solutions are essential for maintaining a clean and organized modern kitchen. Pull-out pantries are an excellent way to maximize storage space in tight areas. These clever designs allow you to access pantry items easily while keeping them neatly tucked away when not in use. They can be customized to fit any kitchen layout and offer efficient use of available space. Concealed trash bins are another practical feature that enhances the kitchen's appearance. Integrated into cabinetry, these bins keep waste out of sight, contributing to a sleek, clutter-free look. By incorporating pull-out bins, you ensure that your kitchen remains tidy and functional without compromising on style. These hidden storage solutions not only improve the organization of your kitchen but also contribute to its overall modern aesthetic, making it both efficient and visually appealing. Incorporating eco-friendly options into your modern kitchen design helps reduce your environmental impact while maintaining a stylish look. Sustainable materials are a key aspect, with choices like recycled glass countertops and bamboo flooring offering both durability and a lower carbon footprint. These materials are not only environmentally friendly but also add unique textures and colors to your kitchen. Energy-efficient appliances are another important consideration. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates they meet stringent energy efficiency guidelines. These appliances use less energy, which can reduce your utility bills and minimize your kitchen's overall environmental impact. By choosing sustainable materials and energy-efficient appliances, you can create a modern kitchen that aligns with your values while delivering functionality and style. These eco-friendly choices enhance the kitchen's design and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Industrial touches add a rugged, modern edge to your kitchen design. Exposed ductwork is a defining feature of this style, creating a raw, unfinished look that complements other industrial elements. This design choice can make your kitchen feel more spacious and open while adding an urban, industrial vibe. Metal accents are another key component of the industrial style. Incorporate materials like stainless steel, brass, or copper in fixtures, hardware, and even appliances. These metals not only provide a sleek, modern look but also enhance the kitchen's durability and functionality. By integrating exposed ductwork and metal accents, you can achieve a distinctive industrial aesthetic that stands out in a contemporary kitchen. These elements add character and a touch of sophistication, blending practicality with modern design. Transforming your kitchen with these modern design ideas can elevate both its functionality and style. From minimalist designs and smart technology to bold backsplashes and eco-friendly options, these trends offer a range of options to suit your personal taste and needs. By incorporating these elements, you can create a kitchen that is not only visually stunning but also highly practical. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas and want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for updates on the latest design trends and tips.